This is a highly edited version of a fan replacement that I did during a live stream on my YouTube channel. That was on Saturday, November 9th. So here what I've done is I've removed the battery and removed the CD drive. Next we remove the hinge covers. There's a link in the description of this video that'll take you to that video. The repair began about 7 minutes and 43 seconds into the video. That video includes all the mistakes and complications that occurred during the job. Yes, I make mistakes. So I'm fairly new in the computer industry. I first started earning my living through my computer work in 1986, at least according to my tax returns. I think it actually started in 1985, so I'm still kind of new and learning things. The manual told me to expect 17 screws for removing the bottom cover, and I'm putting the screws onto the magnetic pad in an arrangement so that I can know where they go, just in case some of them are different sizes. I use a couple spudger tools to open the laptop. The manual said that I should not start opening it in the area of the DVD drive. And that's the kind of thing that I often find in the manuals, that they give me a tip or a pointer or something to be cautious about. Here's an irrelevant mistake I made. I took the fan out before comparing it with the new fan to be sure the new fan was correct. Remove a couple screws, remove the electrical connection, take the fan out, then you see me compare the fans. I look for the size and the shape of the fan, the location of the screws, and the electrical connector to make sure all those things match. I used the nail file blade of a pocket knife to push the wires into the wiring clip on the side of the fan. I like to hear the snaps. I find them very satisfying, so I'm playing that part at regular speed. This is an HP Envy 17T, model S100. Not all HP laptops 17-inch are going to be the same, but I show in the full video how to find the manual for the one that you're working on. Most sections of this video are sped up anywhere from 4 times to 10 times speed. The primary focus of my YouTube channel is to respond to people's Windows-based tech questions and issues. I do live shows a few times a week and welcome questions from end users, IT pros, and computer enthusiasts. These edited videos are intended to try to attract more people to the live stream, so I hope to see you there. The computer did turn on and operated just fine.